Welcome everyone. I'm really proud and happy to welcome you to our 2016 Profibus and Profinet Global Forum in conjunction with the Automation Innovation Summit. This week we had a real once in a long time opportunity to involve our host of global experts and leader in the technologies we're representing. And we thought we really might have to make use of that and have internal meetings, but also make sure they work for us. Before we start off, I really want to say some words of thank you to the sponsor of this meeting. As the platinum sponsor, there is the PI Association at whole. We have got the complete leadership team of PI here this week. The company I work for, Pentair, is another platinum sponsor. Then we have gold sponsors with Phoenix Contact and Siemens and Wiedmüller, and valued partners with the silver sponsors in Procentec, IFM, Effecta, Balluff, Burkett, SICK and Softing. And we have got a number of really high-profile partners for this event, which are Engineers Australia, which is our largest engineering association with 105,000 members. So we're very happy to welcome our CEO of Engineers Australia this afternoon. The Australian-German Chamber of Commerce, very instrumental in driving a lot of exchanges between the countries in a technology sense. And of course our media with Pace Magazine and What's New in Process. So thanks to them all to make this possible as well. We had our global chairman's meeting this week, and I think the consensus that we as a group had was we're living in a time that is probably the most exciting in terms of automation and development and innovation that we've ever been in. And having these exciting times, we really couldn't resist in making sure that we share a lot of these thoughts with our industry, with the network of people that we have here. So we're going to talk a lot about networks. We talk a lot about Industry 4.0. We talk a lot about things that are important to us. Look, in the bigger scope of things, we are one player in this segment, but we are the communication people. We are the guys who transport data, transport information, process information. So the vital part in this one is we are a link in the chain. If the chain breaks, there's no Industry 4.0, no industrial Internet of Things. So at the core of these new developments that we all see globally is interoperability of devices, software and complete systems. And what we see this morning in the first session is things that are already working, things how they work, what are the developments, what are they doing in Europe. We've got a great case study from Australia too, with one of the largest Profinet installations out there in the market. So we have got a lot of things that will excite you. And if you look at the scale of the economy, what's going towards us, this is some figures from GE. 7 billion people in the Internet of Things on the private consumer level, because we have got roughly 7 billion people. But the the industrial Internet of Things that need to be networked, 50 billion devices estimated by 2020. Now, we can argue these numbers, but this is a massive change that we're going through at the moment. So that's why I'm really glad you're here, because we think we tackle some really very important topics here. Big thank you to the people who are going to contribute. I mean, these people have come from all parts in the world. Some of them just arrived in the last couple of days. So we have Carsten Schneider, our global chairman for PI. We have Xaver Schmidt, who is a marketing manager for Profinet and working for Siemens. Andrew Brown from Perth, he's the lead control system engineer for Fortescue Metals. We've got Professor Fridtjof Claassen from the Cologne University, Karl Büttner from Anderson Hauser, Paulo Silva from Procentec, Martin Müller, took the long way to come here from Phoenix Contact in Germany, and Matt Dalsey from Procentec. So these guys will give you a good rundown of what technology can do for us at the moment, what are the trends globally, where are we going, and what has been achieved so far. And this will set up the afternoon session, really. In the afternoon session, we really want to talk about what do we need to do in Australia to catch up, to be more innovative, more productive? What's needed here to make our manufacturing viable? It's not enough anymore that we are the best in Australia. We need to be competing with other countries in the world. With that, enjoy the forum, and I get Andrew to introduce the first speaker, and please welcome and thank you for coming.